Hey guys, welcome to Electrofun. This is my fifth video tutorial on Python programming. In this video, we are going to discuss how to take real-time input from user and make your code more interactive. So let's get started. Okay, let's take a variable called name as input. Uh, Input is a function which is a real-time function where it asks the user for entering the input and it stores and the input is stored in variable name. Enter your name. Yeah, so yeah, it's asking. So let's say happy. Okay, so happy is saved in name. So let's take a variable called age and input asking enter your age. So it's asking age, so I'll write 25. So let's check what is age. Okay, it's displaying 25, but check here you have a logical error because the 25 is in single quote, which means it's a string, but your age is not a string, it's a numerical value. So let's see how you can ask for a age which will be stored in integer. So you'll have to typecast with it int int and then enter your age, two brackets. So yeah, I'll write 25. Yeah, and then I'll try to see. Yeah, so this is perfect because whatever the input user has taken, it is typecasted into an integer and stored in a variable called age. So let's just print name, uh, name plus age. Yeah, as I have mentioned earlier that you cannot print two different data types. Your age is an integer and your name is a string. So you'll have to again typecast it and convert it into your string. So the function for that is str. Yeah. So as you can see, happy 25. So this way you can take real-time inputs from user and write a code and make it more interactive. Now let's just say if you want to print a message. Oh, okay. I'll take name. I'll add something. I have explained this when you're appending it in print, you can use this. So it will add between name and whatever is after your name. So I'll take str of age. So I'm trying to write happy is 25 years old. Let's see if it works. I have forgotten addition sign over here. Yeah, so perfect. Yeah, there's a space issues which I have forgotten, so let's just copy it again and paste it with the corrections. Yeah, so now it's perfect. Happy is 25 years old. So I hope you have understood how to use input function, how to typecast the taken input from user into a numerical value or integer, and how to use it in more interactive way. So see you till the next time. Like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.